Hola, bienvenidos a LightSpeed Spanish. Today I want to talk to you about something that happened to me recently that I thought, isn't that lovely? I'd love to share that. And it's about a good friend of mine called Peter Lovstrom, who's been working diligently on his Spanish. Vamos a hablar de todo en la segunda parte. Peter Lovstrom, I've known him now for, I don't know, 15 years, something like that. Pete joined LightSpeed Spanish a long time ago and he had a desire to learn Spanish. Now, Pete is an accomplished actor, okay? And I interviewed him a long time ago for the channel. And it was to talk about his desire to learn Spanish and also to talk about him and his acting career. He appeared in The Life of Brian and Monty Python. He's done lots and lots of different acting roles. But why am I telling you this? The reason I'm telling you this is that recently I talked to Pete. He sent me an audio on WhatsApp. And what I want you to do is I want you to listen to a little bit of the interview that I did a long while ago when Pete was kicking off. He was just getting into his Spanish. And then I want you to listen to the audio that he sent me, a bit of it anyway, and listen to the difference between then and now.
Para mí, absolutamente. Para la mayoría de mi vida, vivo en Londres. Y luego, hace 2 años o algo así, he mudado a Brighton para vivir con mi novia.
Hola, Gordon, tío. ¿Qué tal vas? ¿Cómo andas? Me alegra saber de ti. Sí, me alegra que te guste el enlace de la reseña de LanguaTalk. Compré una suscripción anual y había un generoso código de descuento en la descripción debajo del vídeo. Me parece una herramienta muy útil y la uso 20 minutos al día, además de mis charlas habituales en italki con un profesor de Barcelona.
The reason I'm showing you this, I'm letting you hear this, is not so that you feel bad about your Spanish. It's so that you feel good. Because you know that if you just stick at it, like Pete's done, and he's worked hard. I'm not going to take any of that away from him. He's worked hard. But if you do that and you just keep going, you will get there and you'll have a great Spanish. Now, let's be fair. Pete is an actor. Okay, so if anybody's going to get the Spanish accent off to a T, it's going to be him. And he's done a fantastic job. The funniest part is in the message where he's chatting in Spanish with a great accent, and then he says, italki. And then you hear his actual accent, which is a southern accent.
Charlas habituales en italki.
Not everybody can achieve that level of accent. Not everybody can achieve that level of Spanish. But what's certain is that if you just keep working at it, if you just keep going, like Pete did, and has done and continues to do, just keep at it and you'll get there. Remember, the importance of learning Spanish, learning any language, learning anything is not getting there, it's the journey. Sometimes the journey is just as exciting, if not more exciting, than the destination. How many times have you been on holiday and the lead up to the holiday and the journey and getting there is lovely, and then you get there and you kind of go, oh, well, I'm here now, I don't know what to do. And that's why it's great that learning Spanish never ends. It's an ongoing journey for the rest of your life, and that's beautiful. Pete mentioned italki, and he also mentioned another platform that uses AI in conversational Spanish, and I'm going to review that soon with Cynthia, and we'll share that with you. Pues eso es todo. Muchas gracias, Pete, por los audios y por el vídeo de antes. Y muy bien, chicos, que sigáis estudiando cada día, hablando, leyendo en voz alta, haciendo un poco de todo cada día para mejorar tu español. Vale la pena. Os lo digo. Os quiero mucho. Hasta luego. Adiós.